Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get Roblox without the Play Store. First, you will need to adjust your device's security settings to allow installations from unknown sources. Next, we will explore how to safely locate and download the Roblox application package file, also known as an APK. Finally, I will guide you through the simple steps to install the application and start enjoying your favorite games on your Android device, bypassing the traditional App Store. To begin, open your device's main settings menu. Scroll down and tap on either Security or Privacy, depending on your Android version. Within this section, find and enable the option labeled Install Unknown Apps or Unknown Sources. Your device might present a warning message. Simply confirm to proceed. This crucial step allows your phone to install applications not downloaded directly from the Google Play Store. Now, it is time to find the Roblox APK file. Use a reliable web browser to search for reputable websites that host Android application packages. Always prioritize well-known and trusted sources to ensure the file's safety and authenticity. Once you have found a suitable version, download the APK directly to your device. Remember, the file size is typically around 100 megabytes, so ensure you have enough storage. With the Roblox APK downloaded, open your device's File Manager application. Navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever you saved the file. Tap on the Roblox APK file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts, granting any necessary permissions. Once the installation is complete, you will see the Roblox icon on your home screen. Tap it to launch the game and dive into countless virtual worlds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.